lovely China, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about, you guessed it, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And if you guys want to find out more about this great phone, stay tuned and keep watching.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up.
Official, guys, we are here with the Pro, baby. We are here with the Pro, and obviously you see I got the blue. Truly love it. It's really a nice color, guys. Like, the color for this is bomb.com. They did a great job with the color, you guys. I truly love it. Feel like they really stepped it up a bit with this launch. However, in the packaging there was only a few things. They only gave in the packaging the charging cable this time, and this is what came inside of the box. Just that. They did not give an adapter, no adapter this time, and the reason being is because Apple is a environment friendly company, and they are working on ways to help with reducing certain pollution and things of that happening from their factories, and by that they decided to reduce the amount of waste that they're going to be giving to their consumers. Personally, I don't know how I feel about not getting a charging adapter. Like, I feel like it's quite useful to have. They were saying that basically statistically people don't really use them, and how that is how they kind of came up with their decision to take it out. Comment down below how do you guys feel about this, because I don't know, like, I feel kind of like in the middle. Like, I'm here for helping the environment, all hair to be green, but then at the same time, is it at the cost of losing product? Like, I don't know, that especially product that I feel like we would all use. But just comment that down below. But hey, let's get into it. So why the Pro? Right? That's why y'all here. I know that's why you're here. But first and foremost, before I get into that, hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you hit that like button as well, because this is not the only video that I'm gonna be spilling all the tech tea. So stay tuned for more and more luxury content. But anyway, back to it. Why the Pro? Right? Okay. So why the Pro? I had the 11 Pro. You guys can check out that video as well. I did the unboxing, did the Apple, went to the Apple store on 5th Ave, all the works. All that will be here. But this time, what drew me to this release was actually the fact that obviously the screen is 6.7 now, so that helps with the editing on the go. I'm a huge advocate for editing on the move, on the go. And if you guys don't know, check out my other editing tutorials and all that jazz. Like, I'm a huge advocate on editing on the go. So editing on my phone is something that I do quite a bit, between documents, posters, videography, graphic design, all that stuff I like to do. And then also I do develop, so I like to also test out a lot of these things with Swift and Xcode and all that stuff. But ideally, that's why I say I went with the phone. It's obviously bigger, it's better as far as performance, and also the battery life. That's really what it is, and it's capable with 5G capability. So if you have, I believe I'm not sure if all providers are giving the 5G option for free, but I know when I purchased the phone, it was also included in the purchase, the 5G functionality for my service. So definitely that was one of the major factors into why I got it. Another reason was they're going to be allowing us to edit in RAW, guys. We're going to be able to edit RAW. That's like insane. Like, that's insane. It's basically allowing us all the free spirit to edit at will, guys. It's allowing us all the creative control and all of that. So if you are a photographer, a videographer, anything of that sort, you are going to love this phone. Also, just a heads up, because of the battery life, I do feel like ideally, I haven't really seen the real tea on the battery yet, guys, but for the most part, it has been a little bit longer than my 11. Now, we're gonna keep doing battery tests throughout the week, so stay tuned for more videos on that. But if you updated the phone before the launch of the iPhone Pro, the new iOS is still the same. It's still the same. So for anybody that updated their phone basically within the time period, or before, I should say, the launch, if you have an 11, it's basically the same. It allows you to, you know, use the widget setup. I haven't customized my widget yet, you guys. I haven't done the works, but if you guys want to see a video on customizing widgets and kind of setting up your widgets, just comment down below so I can kind of get that going for you guys. But as you can see, my widgets is kind of simple. It just has the information that I need, the battery percentage, weather, my calendar, and all that kind of stuff. Also, I do find that all the apps are updated. They are updated for basically the new phone. Because of the new screen, watching things such as Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, it's gonna be a great experience for you guys, because now it is going to allow us to see things almost at the 8K quality that we are at, or whatever quality it's in. You'll be able to get the full full resolution of it, and a cleaner and crisp performance. Other than that, everything else seems to be kind of summed up to being the same. Like I said, this is really geared towards professionals. I'm just going to be completely transparent. For consumers that are trying to buy this phone and want to know why to buy this phone, these are the reasons. It really has to do with how you use the phone itself, and are you going to be using it for the are you going to be utilizing all of the features that it has, pertaining to kind of like all of the new updates with the camera and things of that nature. Speaking of the camera, I haven't taken any photos on it yet. I'm getting a FaceTime. I haven't taken any photos on it yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some photos, and I'm going to kind of insert the experience of taking the photos in the clip. So if you guys want to see, let's see. We're going to take some photos, we're going to get some video footage, we're going to do all of that, and I'm going to screen record it so you guys can see what the process is like. So screen record on. Let's get ready for the photo. We're going to take one in a regular photo. We're going to do a regular photo, and then we're going to do a portrait. So my lighting is actually over here, so I'm going to adjust myself the correct way, obviously, and kind of fix myself so that I can get the best quality photo. So let's get the angle. Okay, that was the first photo, and then we're gonna go into portrait and take it on portrait. So let's get some distance, a little bit of distance from the back, so we can kind of utilize, just trying to get the angle, guys. Let's see. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like if I adjust the lighting slightly. Let's adjust the lighting slightly. All right, so I have two photos, guys. I'm going to edit them right now, and you guys are going to see. If you guys want me to do an in-depth editing video, just let me know. I'm going to use auto to correct some of those contrasts. I'm gonna bring down the brilliance. I kind of like my highlight to kind of be lower. I also like to bring in shadows, guys. Give myself a little bit of a snatch, okay? Bring the contrast down a little bit. It does make the skin come off a little bit smoother. And I do like to bring up the brightness a smidge. bring down the black point just a little bit and bring up the saturation, kind of bring back that color into me. But just be careful with that because you don't want to like make yourself orange or change the temperature too much. So that's that for the regular photo better. So for portrait now, I'm gonna pick which one I like the best. I kind of like this one with my hand on it. So with portrait, you can actually change the depth in the background, on how blurred out you want the background. You can put it basically at 1.4, which gets it as blurry as possible, and if you bring it to 16, it kind of brings it back to the normal standard in which you would see it. So I like to do a 1.4. It makes it a lot cleaner. Then we're gonna go back to the audio fix. Boom. It's gonna make you slightly brighter. Then you kind of just adjust it to your liking. Brilliance, like I said, I bring it down. My highlight, I bring it down a little bit, but I think they brought it down too much. Shadows, contrast. Yeah, we're gonna bring the contrast. And then brightness. In this case, we'll bring the brightness down because I don't want to be too ghostly. Black spot, we're going to bring that down. And then saturation, we're going to bring up. And vibrance, we're going to bring up. And yeah, I really like this, guys. Like I said, if you guys want to see a full tutorial on how to edit your photos, just let me know. But here we go. What do you guys think? Super cute, isn't it? Super cute. Okay, so this is the photo. I'm gonna insert, like I said, the whole process of the screenshot, and you guys will be able to see what I did. So that's that for the phone, you guys. Truly, I really love the initial design. Also, if you guys want to get your accessories for any device, please check out Savvy C Technology. I'll provide the link down below for cases, accessories. Savvy C Technology, okay? For tech accessories, please check out Savvy C Technology for tech accessories. But yeah, for the most part, you guys, the only thing that's kind of bugging me is the sides. The sides picks up a lot of like fingerprints, and I don't know if you guys could see that in the close-up, but that's really what it kind of bugs me a little bit. But other than that, I really appreciate, and I do like the phone. I love the color, love the camera. So we're gonna just honestly keep up to date on all the new applications that are going to come out with this. So like Adobe, they have released their own full application for editing. Photoshop and Premiere, you can actually use it on your tablets and on your phone as if you were using it from like the laptop, the same software. So if you guys want to see a video on that, just comment down below. I will have that up ready for you guys. But overall, this really gets a 10 out of 10 from me. Really love the finish, love what you guys have done, Apple, and just keep up the good work. We'll be like I said, reviewing it more to give you guys more feedback, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and you took the information from this video away. So thank you guys so much for all your support. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Your girl CC is out. Bye.